subscribing to my channel. It is very much appreciated. Please use my links in the description. These links put money in your pocket as well as in my pocket. Now, you could help me out here. You can share, you can follow the link, or you could do both. You know that person who's sitting in the chair not contributing? Well, tell them to click on Play Games for Dollars so she could shut up. Enjoy the show. This is InboxDollars, and right now I'm going to introduce you to a game called Mr. Pain. I have already installed it, so right now I'm under the My Games tab, and I'm looking for the game to show you the statistics. It's all the way to the bottom, so please bear with me. So I have played the game a little bit, so I accumulated 2 cents. The maximum I would get is 28 cents. Usually the 28 cents is not encounter the entire day. I may have to come back tomorrow. So the objective of this game is whoever had the gravity gun kills the agents. Right now you see it being killed by Saw, but it could be killed by Spike. It could be killed by a punching bag. It could even be killed by gravity. The agents in the pink suit are laser protective. So the only way to kill them is by gravity. The agents in the black suit are not. I'm going to try and flip that agent into that chemical. I may have to swim and cross, yes. And I'll achieve a level. Since he is laser proof, I'm going to use the bridge. I'm going to weaken that bridge. Slamming against the bridge. I'm going to slam it real hard. And they both died by drowning in that chemical. It took me quite a while to figure that out. But eventually I did get it. Finally. Now I'm going to just use that press and chop his head off. Just bang him. Yep. Level 11. Let's move over. I'm going to use that. Bang his head, cross his head, if I could aim it correctly. Go to the right. Bam. Switch over to the left. Bam. Bam. Same thing. But I don't need to do nothing. I just weaken the bridge. Yep. Level 13. Yes, indeed. Move on. Such violence. Again, the same thing. Poor guy. He's burned to death. Oh, my goodness. Now, why they have a little girl in the midst? Now I'm going to have to drag her over to me. Can my gravity gun do it? I'm sorry, little girl, if you get hurt. Ooh, ooh. All right, she's still alive. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. Ooh, ooh. She's still alive. Because they made me did that, I'm going to push his body against the spike. Both of them. Get off me. Get off me. Boom. The other one too. Right. Level 14. Level 15. I still try to struggle with this little girl. She just gravitates to my gun. Okay, bang his head. That's it. Complete. Bam. Next level. Move on. See, now because of this, I accumulated 9 cents. Very good. So, very good. I'm still struggling with this little girl. And all I have to do, now I could bang the bridge. And they both would die. Now I'm going to try this guy. I'm going to see if he's better with the laser gun. So, this is Mr. Payne from Misplay. So the link is in the description. You download it. No, I'm so sorry. It's InboxDollars. InboxDollars. Sorry. This is the game you play with coins. InboxDollars. I accumulate 2 cents. Very good. So the total is 11 cents for the day. So I strolled down just to check to see. Now, I could continue to play because the play now is still highlighted in blue. When I reach my maximum, it will not be highlighted. All right, so this new logo guy, he doing pretty good. He electrocuting right away. All he has to do is move that sword to that bridge, and there you go. Yeah, that's it. So sorry, the InboxDollars link will be in the description. There's that little girl again. I hope I can move her without hurting her, so I could get to the agent. Okay, his head is smashed, no problem. All I need to do is move that sword to that bridge, but I gotta move that girl. There he go, swimming in chemical. Now I'm gonna swing these agents to the bridge, smash their body against it. Yeah, that other one too, and take both of their body and smash against the bridge. Yes, and then they get electrocuted. Bam. Okay, with that, yeah, very good. Next level. Move on. Now this is the Mike Tyson glove, cause he bam. The punch was so hard, it knocked the skin off them. Yes, very good. get punch, get sting, get spike. Very good. Just violence. Now I could just move that press right on underneath the bridge. There they go. Oh no, they're not hurt yet. I gotta smash them against the wall. Then I'll complete the level. Then I can move on. Smash. Smash. There we go. Level 28. Move on. Just swing them over. Let them get slice and dice. Yeah. The other one too. Equal rights. Bam. Spike, lift him up, get him spike, then punch. Lift him up, bam, punch. See that? Oh, let him yeah. Oh, at least he got a shot off. I'm not going to use this fish. No. I'm not going to use this fish. Yep. Aim. Yes. Now I accumulated another 2 cents. So in total, it should be 15 cents in total. So I'm going to check my activity log 2 ways. I will go under my games tab and look at Mr. Penny and see it's no longer highlighted. So because I have earned my maximum amount, so I'll come the next day and finish off, and I will uninstall this game. I'm also going to check. There's another place I could check. I'll tell you where. You see the $3.02? I click on there, and it will tell me all the activities I have done. See, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, and some other stuff I did. So that's the same thing with other games that you pay for coins. So thank you for your attention to this video. I wish you would come back. Yep, there we go. Okay, bye-bye.